Is cooking today. I rarely cook, by the way. I rarely cook, but today we are going to be cooking something. I saw this in TikTok, and I'm gonna be trying it. I hope it turns out correctly. So I'll be filming what I'm be cooking. I'm cooking some thighs and some salad and some potatoes. I'm super excited for this. These thighs, and someone told me that thighs is the only part of the chicken that tastes so good, and for sure it does. I stopped eating boneless fillets, like, yeah, thigh. I stopped eating like breast, so nowadays I'm into boneless thighs, and I love them. Anyway, we're gonna be marinating them, and I'm gonna be showing you our marinade. So I'm waiting for anyone in the kitchen. Yeah, I want to be alone in the kitchen so that I can just show you everything without being interrupted. So let's do this. Let's do this. I hope you're having an amazing day. So let's go cook. So of course, the first thing we shall be doing is getting our chicken marinated. I'll be marinating my chicken with the following: egg, paprika. I'll just attach the ingredients on my screen. That is all the herbs like soy sauce, rice vinegar, chili flakes, seasoned salt, parsley, or you can use coriander. I prefer coriander, parsley, no, and fresh thyme. Then after all that, I'll be marinating. Literally, I'll be putting it in the fridge for either one hour or 2 hours. Just depends the time that you have. You can put it for like 30 minutes, doesn't matter. And then after, I'll be going in with my potatoes, because of course we have to get our potatoes sauteed, and you can use any potatoes that you have, like especially the tiny ones, because they are a bit quicker to cook. Then I'll chop them into halves, then use some olive oil or any oil of your choice, and some paprika. You can put on some salt or anything that you want. It's just like playing around with ingredients, because anyway, cooking is just playing around with ingredients, because some of these things you don't need to have all of them all together. But for me, I had most of these spices in my house. So yeah, so just mix everything all good and cover, then chop on your potatoes and marinate. Then after, you can take your chicken off the fridge and then put it on top of the potatoes. Make sure you put it on potatoes. You can sprinkle some parsley or whatever you want, and then cover it with a foil. Cover it with a foil. And for me, I baked them. Baked it for 35 minutes. 35 minutes. You can just follow what the chicken on them. Some chickens have the time how long they cook, but for me, I also wanted my potatoes to cook. So literally, I had to bake it for 35 minutes or more. It just depends what you're using, what oven type you're using. Then after, I went on with my salad. My salad, I use cucumber, the parsley, but please just use coriander. Parsley tastes way better. Parsley doesn't do. Yeah, I could have bought coriander, but I went on with the parsley because that's what the recipe said, but I prefer coriander. Then your tomatoes, chop all them together, put some vinegar. I prefer vinegar and some lemon juice. That's what I use. And a little bit of salt and some olive oil if you like. Then you cover it and just put it in the fridge. Then you wait for your food to cook. Because yeah, this was quite an easy recipe, and it's really fast and it's really tasty. Like, yeah, that chicken was good. And it's not a lot of work. You just bake it and just leave it there, then it will cook itself. Like, yeah, it's an easy recipe. So if you want to jump on it and just prepare it, please comment below and tell me if you liked it or you never liked it. And you can either use chicken thighs that are boneless or not boneless. So yeah, or you can use any type of chicken anyway you prefer, fillets or any legs or drumstick or anything. Anyway, so watch till the end and you see how the chicken turned out. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Yeah, if you want me to do more recipes from TikTok, just comment below and I'll try some of these recipes. I'm not a chef, I don't cook, I rarely cook, but I'll make sure that I'll try some of these recipes. Anyway, ciao, enjoy.